Let me ask you one question. Is your money really growing, or is it just sitting there? Many people believe that because their bank balance hasn't reduced, they're financially safe. But here's the truth. While your money sits idle, inflation keeps reducing what that money can actually buy. The wealthy don't just save money, they make their money work for them. That's why investing has always been one of the smartest ways to preserve and grow wealth. Among the many investment options available today, real estate continues to stand out because it's backed by tangible assets that meet a fundamental human need: housing. One opportunity worth exploring is the real estate cashback program from Xylus Group. According to the program's terms, it offers a 35% annual return, is backed by real estate, and your investment may also be used to support a loan application through Retrust Microfinance Bank, subject to the bank's requirements and approval. If you have funds that you won't need immediately, don't let them sit idle without exploring your options. Find out whether the Xylus Real Estate Cashback Program aligns with your financial goals. Send me a message today, and I'll be happy to walk you through the process and answer your questions. Your money deserves the opportunity to work as hard as you do.